Myself, Ansandosi. I done internship in Indian Register of Shipping, May 26th to July 25th. 2 months internship under guidance of Sachin Avsadi, in senior lecturer of Indian Register of Shipping. My topic is literature study to perform finite element analysis of crankshaft. Crankshaft. Crankshaft is the main components of internal combustion engine. It's at the backbone of the engine. Crankshaft converts reciprocating motion to rotary motion. These are the parts: fillets, crank pin, oil bore, counterweight, crank to crank work. Crankshaft operating function. It converts the piston motion to rotary motion. Commonly used materials in crank: forged steel, crank iron. Types of loads: bending, torsion, axle, and inertial loads. Critical loads: fillet areas, crank pins, and crank ups. Basically, I read literature surveys in 7 to 8 general papers. These are the papers. I main focus on this paper. Fatigue life and stress analysis of a single cylinder four-stroke crankshaft. This is my main focus of this paper. These are the inputs: rated engine speed, piston diameter, length. These are the intermediate inputs: angular velocity, piston, and case of the connecting rod and crank radius. This is the gas pressure curve. X-axis I take crank angle in radius, y-axis pressure in bars, given data in IRS. I using these formulas